In this question, we have to find the equation of a straight line that passes through these 2 points. So we are given 2 points that lie on that straight line, and the equation should be in the slope intercept form and also in the general form. So to get started, since these 2 points lie on that straight line, we can say that this is the point x1 y1, this is the point x2 y2. So these are the x coordinates and these are the y coordinates of those 2 points on that straight line. Now the slope intercept form is the form y is equal to mx plus c. Slope stands for m, intercept is the y-intercept, which is c. Slope is also called as the gradient of the line, which means the slant of any line. Let's get started. So firstly, what we are going to do is to find the slope, which is m. Now the formula for m is given by the difference in y values upon the difference in x values. So which is also called as rise upon run. Okay, let's substitute the values. The numerator is called the rise and the denominator is called the run. So when I substitute y2 minus y1, I get 10 minus 7 in the numerator and x2 minus x1 is 2 minus 3 in the denominator. When I subtract, I get 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. I have minus 3 as the answer for the value of this slope. Now to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be substituting in this equation the three values x, y and m. Now m is this, so I put m is negative 3. Now for x and y, you can either put this first point which lies on the line for x and y, or you can also put 2 and 10 for x and y in this equation, and both these values will give you the exact same value of c. So I'm substituting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7 in the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So y, in place of y I'm putting 7, I get 7 is equal to, in place of m I put negative 3 times x I put 3. C is unknown, so c remains as it is. In the next step, I get 7 is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, so I get a negative 9 plus c. To find c, I will transpose 9 to that side. It will become positive 9, so I get 7 plus 9 is equal to c. And my c is 9 plus 7, 16. Now to find the equation, all I need to do is to substitute the values of m and c in, so equation in slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, and I substitute y, in place of m I substitute negative 3, x plus, in place of c I substitute 16. So this is my equation in the slope intercept form. Now we have to find the equation in general form also. So equation in general form, which looks something like ax plus by is equal to c. Now compare these two equations. What is the difference between these two equations? In this equation, we only have y on the left hand side and everything else is on the right hand side. Whereas here we have all the terms containing x and y's on the left hand side and only constant term is here on the right hand side. So what we do here is, from here, if I want to convert it to general form, I will have to take this term here. So what I'll do is I'll start with that equation, y is equal to minus 3x plus 16. So for this equation to look like this equation, I'll have to transpose 3x, negative 3x to that side, and I eventually get 3x plus y is equal to 16. Now you see these two equations look alike, they resemble. So this is how we find equations of a straight line in these two different forms. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.